Okay, we could see a bullish situation here now, where I would enter at this level. Now what I want to see is a candle like, for example, these two here, where first of all someone is selling and the candle after realizing that this is a wrong situation. We could respect this zone and then go long to create potential new highs from NY open to, for example, this zone here. Now we respect first of all the weekly line of the candle open, but one candle does not mean that we will switch the trend immediately. So while I wait for the confirmation to enter, I can show you why I am bullish on GBP, JPY. On a long term chart we are bullish. This is what counts for me. Then on a 12-hour chart you can see we respected the 200 EMA and can potentially move up. We have 6 hours to do so, to create a trade which I could hold longer than expected. On a 4-hour chart we can see that we have a turn back here, so there is a potential that we could enter this zone here. So let's see what the 30-minute candle looks like. We got a strong recovery from that break here. On a 50-minute chart we could see a bullish engulfing candle which could create potential highs, and on a 5-minute time frame we now have this situation. I entered a trade here, a small trade, and now wait for the comeback to potential bullish continuation, so I could enter a second or third trade. Right now it looks good for my small entry, but I cannot enter here for a normal size trade. Now the 5-minute candle closed more bullish than I thought, therefore I cannot entry at this point for the continuation, so I have my small entry which I can show you. I entered here a buy, my take profit is at 163,500, stop loss right where the bottom is. As I marked here these numbers, this is my entry, my stop loss and my take profit. We have a nice fake out, a bullish engulfing, as I said, created, but my first take profit is at this point 320 to 340. So at this point I can take some profit out of this trade and move my stop loss to my entry point, so I have a risk-free trade. And now whatever happens I am in profit. As I am trading I also look to the fundamental news, and today we have a big announcement from the FOMC. Because of the fundamental news I don't expect a bigger break to this zone, so I have my take profit for now at 385, which is okay for now. While the trade is continuing, I can show you why I entered this trade. We have a bullish situation since this morning, so I didn't expect that we go lower. If you are a new trader, I could recommend you books about psychology of trading, but also you have to create some experience to enter at this situation. For example, you are greedy and you draw this trend line. You hope for a break, which could possibly happen, but we are in a bullish trend, as I said. So a quick break of a support does not mean that we can move further down. What happens here is I can create a support like this. The support broke, but we got a quick recovery and the trend is going bullish for now. Another thing what I can recommend is always look on a bigger time frame. For example, at this situation, it looks like we could come slowly down. It could happen, but we have a bullish engulfing candle, which can also create higher highs at this level. So just imagine, would you now enter for a short entry here after this bullish candle? For example, like this. If you do so, it's your trading idea. I don't judge you, but it's not my view of the market. So slowly, let's see what's happened. We could break this resistance and reach a higher level. At this point, 350, I close another half, and now bring my stop loss to 240, exactly here, and my rest of take profit is at 385. So this was a good trade. I thought about another entry at this area, but just imagine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles at this area would not fit into my trading plan. So let's wait and see. Let me get back to the bigger time frame. As I said, now here we can see it better. A bullish engulfing, as I said, created. We respected this area of support, created a continuation candle on a 15-minute chart, and we broke this little resistance. Now we can take profit. We reached take profit and we close this trade. Now for a quick recap, this was a 3.46 risk reward trade, but I closed half of it at this level, so I gained 1.5 and let the rest run. So round about 2% gain of this trade.